Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Charge 6 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here in the third line we have a button disconnect, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, disconnect leaves your device at the device list, and unpair remove your device from the device list. So, if you need it, I recommend it to use disconnect, not unpair. Now let's tap on it, and as I said, it just left your device at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.